Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you guys. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel. Now, I want to talk about real quick today. I get calls all the time saying, hey, what's some good affiliate programs to market? I don't know what I should select. What's your suggestion? So what I've done is I have 5 that I've put together that I recommend, actually, my top 5 picks. Okay, we're already in June of 2021, guys. We're halfway done with the year. If you haven't started marketing with affiliate marketing, getting started, you're behind the 8 ball. Okay, so it's not too late, so go ahead and get started. I'm gonna give you my top 5 pick right now. All right, so let's start with, I'm going to start with the instant pay ones. I've got a list that I've put together. So the first one we're going to do, let's start with one of my new favorites. Okay, so hang on, let's go take a look. Okay, 98 Unlimited. We're going to start with this one as number one. Okay, this is a system that's already set up for you. It's done for you. The marketing system is included. The blueprint is included. Everything you need, they have put it all together and they put it in your back office. Okay, so this is perfect for a newbie. You don't have to go and get a third-party marketing system, any of that. You start with this one. Everything is here. The sales page they have does all the selling and telling. Okay, all you need to do is direct people to this page. We all get this page. Okay, so they have a 1-minute video here, and then on the inside they have 2 videos that explains it all. Now, with this, you pay directly from the person that joins you, so you make $98 when they sign up front, and then guess what? It's residual income. So as long as they keep their membership, they pay $98 next month. They pay you again. They pay you directly. The company is not paying you. You're getting paid directly by the people that join you. $98 over and over and over. It comes with everything you need in the back office. It also comes with 5 postcard templates that you can choose from. Okay, so $98 a month, residual income, month after month after month. Okay, so go check it out. www.98bucks.com. Okay, join me in this one. I'll get you 200 leads to get you started. Order your postcards, mail them to the leads. That's it. And let the system do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, so 98 Unlimited is my first number 1 pick. Let's go to the second one. Number 2, another instant pay, Textbot AI. Love this system. This is a software. Okay, that's what Textbot AI is. It's a software that comes with a virtual assistant that will help close your sales. Okay, all you need to do is direct people to your links that the company give you, or to your phone number that they assign you. They go into the funnel. Ava will do all the closing for you. Okay, she's going to answer their questions and direct them to your Textbot link, close them out. This particular program, it's text message marketing. You can make $100 per sale. They have 2 levels. They have the $100 level that pays out $100, then they have the Ava Plus that pays out $500. Okay, so you can get all in for $550. That way you don't miss any commissions, the 100s and the 500. And all you got to do is point people to this website or to your assigned phone number that they give you. Okay, so you can call my number and check it out. You do a full demo on it. Okay, doesn't cost you a thing, but you get to see how it works. Call 845-253-6408. Make $100, make $500 commissions. Instant pay. They also have what they call the 1-up. Every second sale, everybody that joins you have to pass up their second sale. They owe you their second sale, and the system is going to do that automatically. Okay, as well as this software allows you to generate leads. Okay, and with this, you can export the leads out. You can direct them to another business. You may have a primary business that you're trying to promote. This tool will help you. So you're able to include your primary business link in your Textbot back office so that it can help promote that business as well. So you actually get 2 for 1. Okay, so you're able to promote your primary business as well as Textbot. Now, what I'm offering people when they join me in this, I have created a custom postcard for this. Okay, so you can mail these cards. If you don't want to do online marketing, join me, get my custom postcards. I'll send you 200 leads to get you started. Okay, so it costs $150 if you want to join the $100 level. If you want to join and just go all in, it's $550. Okay, with this one, you get your 2 links. They give you 2 different websites, and they give you a assigned phone number. So you have 3 ways you can market this, as well as you can use special keywords. And we give you all the training that you need. It's in the back office for this one as well. So Textbot AI. Okay, let's go to number 3. All right, next one up is the Postcard Tycoon. This is a postcard program that pays out $300 per sale. It's only 1 level. There's no other levels, just you. It comes with a website. It also comes with a get started kit that includes 250 postcards, 250 leads to get you started. When you join me in this one, I send you 400 leads to get you started. Okay, I have a printing company that I use. I'll refer you to. And where you can get your leads from, targeted people that's actually interested in making money from home. As you can see, we're on the website. You get a website with this as well. The company also offers what they call a 5 for Life bonus. After every 5th sale, the company, WTM, will send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay, so as you can see, you got this website. Okay, so this is an offline program that you can just mail the postcards, guys. And of course, if you want to automate it, we'll get into that later. Just reach out to me and I'll show you how to include a marketing system with it. But it doesn't come with that. It just comes with this website. When people get your card in the mail, it drives them to this website, which has your name at the bottom. It's a personalized website with your name and number on it. Okay? Awesome program. It's been around since 2016. Okay? So, you want to make $300 per sale? This is the way to go. This one's $4.98 to get in. No monthly fees, no pass-ups. Okay? $300 a pop. All right, let's go on to the next one. Next one up is Cash Cow 100. Very popular postcard program that doesn't come with a website. Cash Cow pays out $100 per sale. It has 2 tiers with it. There's someone in box 1 and someone in box 2. Okay, that's how it works. 2 tiers. Every time your teammate makes $100, guess what? You make $100 off their efforts. This one comes in your starter kit with 100 postcards. The company is going to send you in full color. When you join me in this one, I send you 200 leads, okay, to get you started. And again, I have the printing companies that you can contact to get these at a great price, and they offer quality. Okay, so the postcards are going to be great quality. As you can see with this one, it's thick card stock. It's not that flimsy card stock. Okay, so Cash Cow make $300 a pop on 2 tiers, guys. Okay, a great little program. It's $300 to get started. With this one, you would mail in 3 money orders. Okay, Cash Cow 100. Okay, let's go with the next one. Last one up is Exitus Elite, guys. This is, I recommend, the #1 recommended one, because with this one, they actually teach you how to make money online. They offer the courses that teach you. You make with this one, they have several pay lines. They have the $100 commissions, the $250, the $500, the $1,000, and the $2,000 commission. So 5 commission levels with this. Okay, and you don't lose a sale with it. That's why I name this as #1. In other words, if you came in at that $100 level and you got a sale for $250, Exitus has it set up where you would at least get 100 of that $250, and the remainder would pass up to your sponsor. Okay, and then if you want to upgrade, you just pay the difference plus whatever that admin fee is for that level. Okay, so I think they have a very fair comp plan. Let me show you the website. Check this out. So as I stated, They offer digital education courses, okay? $100 level, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000, okay? So take a look here, okay? They offer a lot of training. Everything is digital. We live in the digital age. You're not going to get a box with a kit with a bunch of DVDs and CDs and all that stuff in. Everything is online. This way you can access it from any smart device, okay, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, whether it's your smartphone, your tablet, or your computer, okay? This is some very good training they have. The website is laid out. They have an all-in-one marketing system, and this would be the way to go if you want those high-ticket commissions, okay? Or if you just want to learn just internet marketing, really get down to the nitty-gritty of it, Exitus Elite is the one that I would direct you to. Go check out my link for that one. I'll put that below as well. As you can see, I'm just thumbing through this particular page that they provide, okay? Great products. Look at all this training you get. So you just decide which level you want to come in at, okay? So that would be number 5 from my list, okay? So pick one of these, guys. It's June now, okay? It's time to get serious, okay? Don't overcomplicate this stuff. Just pick one. Join with me. I offer one-on-one support. I'm going to give you a marketing plan. Stick with your marketing plan. Be consistent, and you will see results, okay? Pick one, whether it's the offline, mailing the postcards, or if it's online. Just reach out to me. Let me know what you decide. Check these out. Jot down your notes. Then give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let's get you started, okay? So I'm going to leave you with some motivation, something to feed the mind, okay? And until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? So check this out. You guys be safe out there. Excuse me. Be safe out there and have a blessed day. See you on the next video.
Have you any idea how many people live in a self-made prison? You know people like that. They live in a tiny little space. Information and opportunity is given, and they seem to reject it. It's not that they don't see that there's possibility in the opportunity. It's just that they can't seem to do it. Therefore, they remain stuck. Trapped in a place they don't like. Nobody likes being poor. Nobody likes being broke. Nobody likes not having multiple streams of income. The question is, why would they do that? The paradigm is so strong, and it affects the image so much that the person really does not believe that they're good enough for the opportunity. One thing I can tell you is if you don't like your life, if you don't like what you see in the tangible realm, then you've got to become fully aware of the internal dysfunction. There is virus code inside of your psychology controlling your paradigms, and you're going to have to get rid of that virus code if you want to eliminate the virus code that is currently programming your life. It's concentrated listening, combined with professional coaching and mentoring over a reasonable period of time. The time you spend here, you will never get back. We say it's a sad thing when we see a child that is afraid of the dark. I tell you something more sad. An adult that is afraid of the light. An adult that is afraid to manifest. What do you want? I mean, what do you really want? And what's stopping you from getting it? And if there's something that you want, that you desire, that you believe you've been destined to have, that does not exist in the physical realm, then all roads trace back to you. See, evolution is inconvenient. And so for many of you, your behavior doesn't match your dream. Your behavior, your work ethic doesn't match your dream. There's something within all of us that wants elevation and expansion. And as you alter your awareness, everything in your life begins to change.